Hello and welcome to Forex Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing Fundamental Analysis for Novices, HICP. If you are new to trading, you will need to have access to an economic calendar such as the one shown here, where governments around the world release economic statistics usually weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. The financial markets look at these statistics in order to try and gauge the strength or weakness of an economy based on the release of this information. Such data releases can cause the relating currency of that country to stay the same or gain in strength or lose value against other currencies. Therefore, it is vitally important that you understand how economic calendars can help you trading. The most important aspects of an economic calendar are the time of the release, the type of event, the day, and the date. Also the impact level which is likely to be received by the market, which is either low, medium, or high. The actual data itself, which is important, is subject to an embargo and will be populated on the calendar usually a few moments after its release. The consensus, or what the market thinks that information is going to be based on the forecast formed by an economic and financial analyst. Previous data is also shown, whether that be weekly or monthly. Here we can see that for the economic calendar on Monday the 31st of August at 8 AM, Spain will be releasing their Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices or HICP data and simultaneously releasing Consumer Price Index information for both month-on-month and year-on-year. These are all preliminary readings. Spain has the 13th largest economy by gross domestic product in the world, and because it is part of Europe, it is measured as the 6th largest European member in Europe. The harmonized data is a component of the overall data for the Eurozone. Therefore, because Spain is a relatively smaller component of the overall picture of the Eurozone Index on consumer prices, it has a low impact upon release. The statistics is weighted and is used as a way of measuring inflation and price stability across the Eurozone. Inflation is tightly monitored by the European Central Bank, which will have the benchmark target of around 2%, which is fairly typical of Western economies, although the United States have raised their bar slightly due to the ongoing pandemic and the devastating effect it is having on America at the moment. Typically, a high reading is positive for the euro, and low readings are negative. However, all economic data is taken very seriously due to the fallout from the pandemic. Economists, and therefore the consensus reading, is usually fairly accurate with smaller member states, which typically means that there are fewer shocks again. Because Spain is a smaller member of Europe, it is unlikely to cause market volatility upon its release. Nonetheless, one should always be guarded, just in case. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.